Hi, my name is Sophia Crum-Ewing, and this is my online portfolio. I currently am a student at Harrisburg Area Community College, and I'm studying to get my associate's degree in Administrative Office Management. I am expected to graduate in fall of 2019. If you click on any of these links, it takes you to that specific tab. Here is my statement. To the left is a quote I felt best described me, and to the right it just talks a little bit about my time here at Hack. This is my resume page. I used to work as a cashier at Produce Market for 3 years, and down below is some of the things I would do when working there. This is a link to the store, and it just talks about some of the things they have to offer. I currently work for Hershey Entertainment and Resorts Company as a utility foreman, and again, down below is some of the typical job duties I would do, and this takes you to the park site. I graduated from Hershey High School in 2016, and this is what the high school looked like. And I currently go to Hack in Harrisburg, and I listed my GPA and my expected graduation date, and this link tells you a little bit about the major. I got to job shadow at UPMC Pinnacle Health Hospital, and this is a little bit about the hospital. And I also got to job shadow on campus, and this link takes you to the Hack site. Here is my Dean's List certificate, and if you click here, it just shows you what it looks like. Here's my additional links. The first one is to my resume. And then this takes you to my LinkedIn account. And it just shows where I work, go to school, and more about my job shadows. And if you click here, it takes you back to the home page or to the top of the screen. Next is volunteer work. I got to job shadow at UPMC Pinnacle Health Hospital in Harrisburg. Even though this didn't relate to my major, it helped me see what working in the hospital environment would be like. With career services, last semester I got to job shadow on campus with an administrative assistant. And this was really helpful because it helped me get a feel of what is expected of the job and what it would be like. For 2 years during high school, I was in a community service club called Key Club, and I got to raise money for the Salvation Army during Christmas time. Last is my projects. The first one is Security Trends, Creating a Newsletter. This is for my Word class. And if you click here, it takes you to the project. Next is my creating a invitation. This was used through Cengage site for one of the modules projects. And this was a memo. And lastly, my antiques galore for office procedures, AOS 225. This was with Mrs. Cross, and we had to create this based on the direction we were given. Last is my social media page. Listed below is different ways to contact me. And again, the different links. What I learned from this assignment is all the different parts that should be included in a portfolio and how to make it look professional. What I liked about the assignment was being able to get creative with my color schemes and fonts. I also liked the design options Wix had to offer, but one of the cons I had was figuring out how to format some parts of my information, and this is definitely an area I could improve on. Thanks for listening to my portfolio project.